Fellow savvy investors and future financial freedom fighters, have you ever wondered how some people seem to grow their wealth effortlessly over time? Today we're diving deep into this concept of the snowball effect, a powerful, eye-opening principle that explains how wealth can grow faster and larger over time. Just as a snowball rolling down a hill gathers more snow and momentum, your investments can accumulate more value and speed in wealth creation. This isn't just financial theory, it's a reality that has changed lives. Stick with us as we unravel this fascinating concept and show you how to harness its power to propel your financial future. Understanding compound interest. The principle of compound interest is often celebrated as one of the most powerful forces in finance, aptly described by Albert Einstein as the eighth wonder of the world. It's a concept that, when leveraged correctly, can turn modest savings into substantial wealth over time. This isn't just theoretical, it's a proven pathway to financial growth, as illustrated vividly by the story of Emily. Emily was a recent college graduate when she first learned about the potential of compound interest. Rather than waiting to start investing until after reaching certain life milestones, like buying a home or reaching a specific career level, she began investing a small amount from her very first paycheck. Emily chose a diversified mutual fund with a historical average return of 7% per annum, a seemingly modest figure that holds extraordinary potential over decades. Each year, Emily's initial investments and the subsequent contributions she made earned returns. Rather than taking these earnings out, she reinvested them, allowing her kids to generate their own returns the following year. This cycle, repeated over and over, meant that her investments grew exponentially rather than linearly. The real magic of compound interest showed its effect as the years rolled on. With each passing year, the growth of her investments accelerated, even though her annual contributions remained consistent. This exponential growth is akin to rolling a small snowball down a snow-covered hill. As it grows, it picks up more snow, increasing in size at a faster rate the further it travels. For Emily, the snowball was her initial investment. The hill was her long-term investment horizon, and the snow that stuck to the snowball was the compound interest. 25 years later, Emily's early understanding and application of compound interest transformed modest contributions into a substantial nest egg. What seemed like a small amount in her 20s had grown into a sum that provided financial security and freedom, demonstrating the profound impact of starting early and sticking to a plan. Emily's story is not just a testament to the power of compound interest, but also serves as a practical example of why engaging with the finances early in life can lead to extraordinary outcomes. It underscores a crucial lesson. The time to start investing is not when you feel wealthy enough or believe you have enough spare cash. It's as soon as you start earning. Compound interest works best when given time, making early and consistent investment one of the smartest financial moves one can make. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. The role of consistent investing. Consistent investing is a cornerstone of building a long-term wealth, a principle that John, a middle-class office worker with no previous investing experience, put into practice with remarkable results. John's journey into the realm of investing began when he decided to take control of his financial future after attending a seminar on personal finance. He was particularly struck by the concept of dark horse averaging, a strategy that involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money, regardless of market fluctuations. This method reduces the risk and emotional stress of trying to time the market and allows investors to buy more shares where prices are low and fewer when prices are high. John started small, automatically investing a portion of his paycheck each month into a diversified index fund. His humble beginning marked the first step in what would become a disciplined and transformative financial habit. Over the years, regardless of the economic climate, people recessions, market dips, and booms, John maintained his investment schedule. His commitment was not swayed by market hysteria or personal doubts, which are often the biggest hurdles in maintaining a consistent investment strategy. His steadfast approach to allowed John to accumulate a significant number of shares. More importantly, he bought these shares at an average price that smoothed out the volatility of the market. As the years passed, John's portfolio grew not just through his distributions but through the reinvestment of dividends and the overall growth of the markets. His strategy was simple yet effective. Stay the course, keep investing consistently, and let the market do the heavy lifting. By the time John reached retirement, his initial modest investments had grown into a substantial sum, providing him with financial security and more options for his post-work life. John's success story exemplifies the power of consistent investing. It highlights that one does not need to start with a large sum or a deep understanding of the stock market to be successful. Instead, what is required is the discipline to keep investing regularly and the patience to stay invested over the long term. John's experience serves as a powerful illustration for anyone looking to start their investment journey. It shows that with a simple plan and a commitment to stick with it, the average person can indeed build wealth over time. This approach demystifies investing and makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial background or initial capital. Scaling up and diversification. As one's investment portfolio begins to grow, simply continuing with the same strategies may not be sufficient to maximize potential returns and safeguard against market volatility. This is where the concepts of scaling up and diversification play a crucial role, helping to not only protect your investment but also enhance its growth. Linda, an initially conservative investor, provides an insightful case study into how these strategies can be dynamically applied to secure and expand one's financial horizons. Linda started her investment journey with a small portfolio heavily weighted in bonds and hybrid stocks, which provide steady, if unspectacular, returns. However, as the financial landscape evolves and her understanding of the market deepened, Linda recognized the need to adapt her strategy to aim for higher growth without exposing herself to undue risk. She began to incrementally increase her stakes in growth-oriented stocks and sectors, including technology and emerging markets, which promised higher returns, albeit with higher volatility. Simultaneously, Linda diversified her investments beyond the stock market. She ventured into real estate, purchasing rental properties that not only diversified her income streams but also provide tax advantages and potential appreciation in value. Moreover, Linda explored international investments, which could offer lucrative opportunities while spreading her geographical risk. This strategic evolution in Linda's investment approach, scaling up her investment in high-risk, high-reward assets while diversifying across different asset classes and markets, allowed her to significantly enhance her portfolio's potential. This method helps mitigate risks as well. When one market or sector faltered, others in her diverse portfolio often compensated. Perhaps most importantly, Linda's approach was measured and informed. She didn't make abrupt changes, but scaled her investment thoughtfully, based on thorough research and a clear understanding of her personal risk tolerance. She attended seminars, consulted with financial advisors, and stayed abreast of economic trends, making calculated decisions that aligned with her long-term financial goals. Linda's story is a powerful testament to the importance of not just growing, but also evolving one's investment strategy over time. It illustrates that as personal circumstances and the economic environment change, so too should investment approaches. Diversification across different asset classes and markets coupled with a strategic scaling of investment in high-growth areas, can significantly enhance the robustness and the potential of an investment portfolio. In this journey, underscores a critical message of all investors that achieving and maintaining financial growth is a dynamic process requiring interior adjustment and careful strategic planning. This approach not only maximizes potential returns but also embeds a level of security within the portfolio that can withstand the test of economic fluctuations. There you have it, the snowball effect in all its glory. Transform modest investments into vast wealth through compound interest, consistent investing, and strategic diversification. Emily, John, and Linda are not just success stories. They are examples of what you can achieve with the right approach and mindset. Remember, the journey to financial abundance starts with a simple step and grows with time into something truly monumental. Start your snowball today and watch as it grows into a powerful force of wealth. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your future filled with prosperity and growth. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.